Hi friends, Brie Callander here, and home is anywhere I park our van ASTRO. I travel with my pup River, and every so often my husband Ben tags along. Now it's time for takeoff and you're right on time. Let's hit the road.
Today I am in West Lancaster, also known as the Antelope Valley to the local folk up in the area. I did actually grow up here from the age of 6 until I was 23, but I was born in Valencia. And anytime I'm up here, really, realistically, I'm just hanging out. I love the desert now that I'm older, and I mention this in almost all of my videos. I have told you guys time after time again that when I was younger, I said I would never move to LA. Guess what I did? Moved to LA, that is correct. And also when I was younger, I said I hated the desert. Now guess what I love? The desert. Anytime that there is such an extreme response to, like, you hate something or you never want to do something, guys, trust me, you're gonna end up doing it and you're gonna end up loving it. That's just my 2 cents on the matter. But anyway, why am I up here? I'm hanging out. This is home to me. I grew up here. Anytime that I'm missing home, I come up here for a couple days and I hang out. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I need to get some sourdough because I'm gonna be making lunch. You guys are just gonna be kicking it with me today. Also, guys, if you have yet to hit that subscribe button, I do really encourage you to do so because it does help me out. And if you are in love with nomad content, car camping, van life, this is a channel for you. I post every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I would really love to see you guys on a regular basis. Let's go get some sourdough. I'm hungry and I'd like to get my day started. Let's go. Oof. Come on, ribs. Up, up. So we just made it to Trader Joe's. I am going to pick up some sourdough bread because I am going to make a piece of toast with cream cheese and smoked salmon on top with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning and some hot sauce. We're gonna make our lunch at the park, and then after I'm done eating, I'm gonna let River run around and play fetch. So it'll be good. Got the bread. We're gonna put that in the fridge right now. And then we're gonna head to the park so that I can make lunch and play fetch with little Ribs. She is dying to get out of this van. Before we get to the park, I'm gonna stop at the Coffee Bean real quick because Ben and I got everybody a gift except my brother, and that's literally only because he only likes the Coffee Bean. We knew what we wanted to get him, but I just wanted to go and pick it up because I am near one. So I'm just gonna go do that real quick before we settle at the park. Okay guys, this is really crazy. I was pulling up to the Coffee Bean and my dad and brother is here. That is how you know that Ben and I are getting him the right gift. They literally are walking up as I just pulled up to Coffee Bean. So I'm gonna have to sneak this. I don't know, should I just be like, surprise, here's your gift? Maybe I should do that before he buys one. Hold on. I went into Coffee Bean. My brother and dad were at the Jersey Mike's right next door, but they were sitting outside. I just went up and I was like, hey, funny seeing you here. And I gave my brother his gift and he went to go use it. So what a coincidence, man, this town is small. All right, now we're heading to the park. We just got to the park. Before I actually go and sit outside, I'm gonna make my food. So I'm doing really basic today. I'm just putting organic plain cream cheese and smoked salmon along with everything but the bagel sesame seeds. We have the Elkins Colorado Hot AF sauce. This is my jam. I'm unsure if I packed enough salmon though. We're gonna see. But it's just to get me through until dinner. This morning I had coffee and yogurt. That held me until now. But now I'm really hungry and I need some protein in my system. So we're gonna get some meat in there and then I get to continue my day. Isn't it crazy that we literally have to eat like 3 times a day? And sometimes the cooking process can take a really long time. And hey guys, this is just a little reminder during the vlog that if you have yet to leave a comment, it would really help me out. It doesn't even matter what you type. You could literally type like, I love the color orange, or beef is my favorite thing to eat. As long as you're typing something, it does boost my video in the algorithm, and it helps this channel and this vlog get seen by more people. So if you're feeling generous, maybe give that like button a big fat hug, or leave a comment, or both. If you did it, thank you. If you have yet to do it, I hope you do. I totally just realized that I failed to have my adapter plugged into my phone for my microphone. So that last one, if you heard acoustics or an echo in the van, I apologize. I completely forgot to put that mic on my phone. Anywho, this is the finishing product. I am really excited. I am so hungry, so we're gonna step outside and eat. I have some very unfortunate news. As I was walking to go sit down and eat my food, I dropped it, the whole thing. And now I'm out of salmon. I have a ton of bread, ton of cream cheese, but I'm completely out of the meat, which was the main thing I needed to sustain my strength right now. I was like, I'm just gonna let this hold me over until dinner. It's okay, we're still alive, but I do need to eat something, so I think we're gonna spend just a little bit of time here, probably less time than we were originally going to spend, but you know, it's okay. River's gonna get a little run in, and then we're gonna go find something to eat. I feel slightly discouraged today. Is it because my food fell on the floor? It contributed to it, but I've kind of felt a little defeated all day today. I am currently using a tripod. The problem is that I lost my original one, and that one helps balance out my phone so that the video is stabilized. This one is a little bit more difficult to maneuver and have it stay in place because it's lightweight. My sandwich dropped, and I am still quite a bit sick. Well, I'm still struggling with the feeling of unwellness. The congestion of what's left from my really bad cold that I had is messing with my energy, and I am hungry. Part of me just wants to leave the park because I need to go eat some food, but I know that if I leave the park right now, that's the last time I'm gonna be here today, and I know River needs to go out and run. I'm gonna drive to the other side of the park to stop being reminded that I dropped my food here. I'm gonna have her run just for a little bit, and then we're gonna go get some food. I definitely need to get going kind of soon because I do want to get to a certain spot in time to watch the sunset. That is gonna be a thing, but in order to get there and do that on time, I gotta get River running and then go grab some food so I can head over there. We made it to the other side of the park. I got River's ball. We're gonna play a little bit of fetch. My spirits are lifted just a tad. It is a really beautiful day out today. I just love the weather up here during the winter. It's so much better than LA's, just because I really do enjoy colder weather. And it's not even cold today. Like, it's 60 degrees and dropping, but it's dropping rather than getting higher. I'm unsure what I'm going to grab to eat. It does have to be pretty fast. I was going to make more food, but I just don't know if I have the time before sunset to go grab a few more ingredients and then make food and then get to the spot and then, you know what I mean? All of the and thens. So I might have to pick some food up to go witness the sunset. We'll see. Go get it. Currently, River is looking for the ball that I threw a minute ago. She's searching high and low. I really hope she finds it because otherwise, if she fails to find it, I'm gonna have to get up and get it for her. She's really close to it. Oh, she found it! Yay! Good job, Rivs. Good job. Searching high and low, mi amor. Playing fetch with this pup warms my heart. All a dog needs is a human and a ball. And I mean, obviously food and water, but like to be happy. Just needs your presence, just needs love. And then humans need everything on the face of the planet to find happiness, and then they realize that they can't find happiness in materialistics. And then they realize that they just need God and people. That's it. Obviously in food and water, like a place to use a restroom. Realistically, what fills our spirits is the spirit and the ones we love. It's so fun just watching her fetch this ball and just find complete and utter joy in me throwing the ball, her going to get it, and her bringing it back to me, and then doing the same thing all over again. Oops, sorry. We're switching up our location just a bit because she keeps losing this ball due to the hills. I think she's just a little oblivious sometimes too, but it's okay. Ah, look around me. Feels good to be home. We have found another spot. It's flat surface in front of me. What are your guys' goals for 2025? Are you one of those people that until the month of January is over, you'll say Happy New Year? First month of the year, it's still a new year, you know? I'm literally one of those people that until January 31st, I will be saying Happy New Year, friend. But what are your 2025 goals and aspirations? River, let me, Are you getting tired? Are you getting tired? Guys, I'm starving. I'm so hungry. I was starving when I dropped my food. Now I'm getting even past starving. But I don't know what to eat. Come here. Come here. I love you, mamas. You mean so much to me. Happy New Year. You're thirsty, huh? I'm gonna get you some water soon, okay? Whoop. Go get it. Did 2024 feel like it came and went in a blink of an eye for anybody else? But what's funny is what I did celebrating 23 going into 24 was the exact opposite of what I did celebrating 24 going into 25. 23 going into 24, my husband and I had a big celebration and we had a party at our house. We were going a little crazy, just a little crazy. But this year, going into 25 from the year 2024, we were in our pajamas at home, watching movies, eating pizza, and celebrating it alone together. That was the first time in 10 years that I celebrated the new year in my home, casually being grateful for life. Wild. I was desperate, so I got some Wendy's. My blood sugar was dropping quite a bit, and I need to get food in me like now. So I got a 6-piece nugget at Wendy's. And I'm gonna save like my appetite for a big dinner. I'm gonna go down to my favorite poke spot in Valencia later and have a really good meal then. But nuggets, I want to avoid just eating a ton of nuggets, junk food, fast food, because I just know what makes my body feel good and what makes my body feel weak. Eating a bunch of fried food is what makes my body feel weak. I'm gonna eat this real quick and then I'll get back to you. I feel so much better having had eaten. And I actually want to show you guys something really funny. Ben and I bought my dad a gift. We bought everyone in my family a gift, but we bought my dad something a little comical because my dad's hard to shop for. Like, he likes planes, he likes things about law, and that's about it. So instead of getting him boring things, we got him boxes with my mom's face on it. And we're gonna have him open it. Oh, I'm so excited. This turned out so good. We're gonna get his reaction of him opening that. I'm so stoked. What we're doing right now is we are looking for a spot to park so that we can witness the desert sunset tonight. I'm thinking the Quartzel Aqueduct, but we're gonna see where we can get the best spot. Be still my beating heart. We found a spot. All it says is no overnight parking, like overnight parking prohibited. So I think we're good though. If we want to park here, should be fine. Before I meet up with my parents, I'm gonna watch the sunset. I'm unsure how strong this sunset is going to be or how colorful the sunset is gonna be. It does kind of seem like somewhat of a mediocre sunset, but I'm here for it regardless. And we're super close to the aqueduct. If we would have just gone up the hill, we would have been right there. But we found a cool spot a little bit before we made it. So cool. All right, definitely had an inkling that it was gonna be a little bit more of a mediocre sunset, but still a sunset nonetheless. The day is coming to a close, and that's what I'm grateful for, that we got through another day. We lived and loved another day, so sunsets are cool because it's a chapter closing. River, what do you think of this sunset, huh? What do you think of this sunset? Are you chilly? You want your coat? Do you feel better, Wibs? Let me see you. Speak if you feel better. Good girl, Pop. I love you. I love you. Just hanging out with my girlfriend. I love you. She's a great buddy to watch the sunset with. She really is. I think she admires its beauty just as much as I do. All right, I'm gonna finish watching the sunset, but I will catch you guys when I'm hanging out with my parents. See you soon.
Okay, first of all,
what?
I feel safe with Ben. You're the one that
I wouldn't feel safe with Ben.
You're the one. No, I feel safe with Ben. You're the one that I'm worried about. Okay. Alright? So,
I'm sorry we had to do this here.
I see your YouTube videos. I know what you're up to. I don't know, it's a pretty empty bag. I feel something furry in there. I don't know.
What you got, Dad? What is this?
Brittany, what are you thinking about?
I didn't know it was going to be that, but that's funny.
Well, at least you're in the right spot. Oh my God, retirement? Is this retirement?
What do you think? You like it?
funny.
You gonna wear it? Is your favorite pair?
Well, I'm gonna wear it tonight. I'm gonna wear it tonight. Don't think I'm gonna use this up. Okay?
That's the third green. You're so ornery. Then you too.
That's a good picture of you too. This looks like the picture on your business card. You take care of business.
She means business, Dad.
Only worry I have is if I ever wind up in the hospital and they want me to go into a gown. If they see this, okay,
I think they would.
and you're standing there,
I think the nurses
it's gonna
would say,
it's
"Hey."
gonna look a little freaky deaky. You know?
Man, what a great visit with my parents. I had an absolute blast and I loved my mom's and dad's reactions to the boxers. I just had such a great time. But with that, I am going to close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're feeling generous, go ahead and give that like button a big fat hug. And if you've yet to subscribe, I sure hope I get your vote. I'll see you next Tuesday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you then.